Hi there, welcome to today's tutorial. I will show you how to make this beautiful skirt from start to finish. It's super easy, simple steps and perfect for all skill level. Let's dive in and get started. I used 1 meter of crepe fabric. Body measurement we need: waist circumference 28 inch, hip circumference 38 inch, skirt length 36 inch. Fold the fabric twice so we have 4 layers. We work on both for front and back part at the same time. Mark 8 inches from the fold, which is waist circumference divided by 4, and add 1 inch for zipper. From the waistline, mark down 10 inches, which is hip line. Mark 10.5 inch, which is hip circumference divided by 4, and adds 1 inch for sewing allowance. Create slightly curve. Draw a line from the waist to the bottom of skirt. Mark 1 inch from the bottom and create curve. Cut it out. As you can see, we have to piece for front and back. Sew on one side only. We have 5 inches by 30 inch waistband. Add interfacing to give strength for waistband. Pin waistband by facing the right side together. Sew. Fold by ½ inch and sew. Mark 7-inch for zip.
Attach invisible zip.
If you want to know how to sew invisible zip, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video.
Sew the rest and overlook the bottom.
Thank you so much for sewing along with me today. If you enjoyed this skirt tutorial and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun and easy sewing tutorials. Happy sewing, and I will see you in the next video.